a member of the guest relations team here at Tallgrass. Today I'll be talking to you about our changing rooms and other concerns guests have when first visiting a spa. When you're here at Tallgrass, we want you to feel as relaxed and comfortable as possible. One very common question is, what should I wear during my massage or facial? And the answer is, quite simply, whatever you feel most comfortable in. During your massage, your service provider will drape you so you're never exposed. While some guests prefer to leave on their undergarments, others feel more comfortable simply in their robes. It's entirely up to you. At Tallgrass, there are lockers of various sizes located in our changing room, upstairs bathrooms, and in the upstairs hallway. In preparation for your services, we ask that you remove any jewelry and place it in one of our jewelry boxes inside your locker. Sometimes guests put jewelry in their robe pocket and later forget them, so we would prefer that you leave them in a locker. This information will be shared with you again during your visit. However, please feel free to ask questions at any time. At Tallgrass, we want you to feel relaxed and carefree from start to finish.